Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Joshua Elbow. In the video today, I'm going to be going over a request for a question I got from Chantel, who used to be in my mentorship group. She was actually one of the first people that joined the one-on-one coaching program. And she was asking me about, this year she's been receiving more of her payments from a self-employed type status instead of from a paycheck. So she was curious about how to go about that when it comes tax time. And I actually get to kind of incorporate my perspective on for all of you who are self-employed, or like even if you're not self-employed, just if you have income and you want to create some type of financial sustainability for yourself long-term, financial freedom fund, what you could do to be tracking all that would be whether it's P&Ls and stuff like that. But the main thing I'm going to recommend is, aside from getting a bookkeeper, don't take any legal advice from somebody who's not legal. I'm not legal. I'm not a litigation person. Don't take any tax or accounting advice from someone who's not a CPA. I was studying accounting, but I'm not a CPA. So my recommendation would be go and find someone, like go on Google and see who in your area that you can talk to in person locally. So you can go in and talk to locally about your specific situation. If it's not more than, if you're only making a couple thousand, you should be fine without having to worry about it. But again, this isn't tax advice because I'm not studied in that. But if it's only a couple grand, you shouldn't have to worry about it. If it's over 5-10K, let's say, then I would definitely go talk with somebody. It should only cost you like $100. If that, most people will probably meet you for free so that they can have you as a client long term. But then aside from that, long term, depending on where you want to go with this route, if you want to continue on this route, I would say get a bookkeeper and someone to track your P&Ls. Bookkeeper for the purpose of just knowing like what your finances are looking like, and then you get an outside perspective. You get somebody on your team telling you like where your stuff is going, versus being able to like justify it in your own mind when you spend too much in one area after you said you weren't going to do it, because everybody has different challenges with discipline and stuff. At least I do. So that's my own perspective on that. Also, when you talk to them, they're going to be asking you about the different things that you, like the different expenses that you incurred when you were doing the job that you were doing. So if you include those in your conversation with the accountant that you speak with, they'll be able to use those expenses to lower down the total so you pay less in taxes at the end, or expensing it. Those would be my main takeaways for you. I wouldn't be too concerned about like what happens with it. Once you speak with the accountant or whoever's in charge of that, they'll be able to give you way more information about what to do. So aside from that, the basics would be, for anybody watching this video, what to do when you start getting income from self-employment. 1, get a bookkeeper, and 2, hopefully the bookkeeper's a CPA, so then you can crush out both. You get the best of both, because if your bookkeeper is a CPA, because I've hired bookkeepers in the past that weren't CPAs, but then you just paid them monthly to track the stuff, and the lady did a good job. But if your bookkeeper is a CPA or a financial advisor, when it comes tax time, or if you pay quarterly if you're a corporation, then they already have it taken care of, so you don't have to like recreate everything that your bookkeeper has and send it to your accountant. It can be the same exact person. As always, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. DM me on Instagram at @TheJoshElbow, whatever you need. I'm super simple to get a hold of. The cost of watching this video is to send a like and send a subscribe if you haven't yet, because I make these videos for free to help everyone out, whatever questions I can answer. But the cost is that I need a like and a subscribe, so that helps the algorithm, because if it helped you, there's probably other people that have the same questions about stuff. If you didn't like the video, then put a thumbs down, so then I can leave a comment why, so I can improve the video so next time you'll like it. Like, I'm here to make you like the videos. The videos are for everyone. As always, I'll see everyone in the next video.